What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys this photo lighting kit you can get from Amazon. Adjustable, extends. Quality's not bad. This is 30 bucks. Let me show you the different settings on it. Comes with the USB connector. It's all adjustable. You can soften the light. You can adjust the brightness of the light. Everything works good. Came with this bag. A whole nother light, whole nother set. And then it comes with filters. Came with 10 filters. So for 35 bucks, yeah, not bad for a lighting kit.